Ka Sorkar Jalam mentakatayaw kalapentim baka komite jong kiStad wat banyak ka Northeastern Hill University kaladap an IT ya ka kaipot jing token halo ke jing keno balat kal RB Uranium na kitop jong ka Yusil ke badan Nongbah Jynrin haka district Southwest Khasi Hills bat Pynthikna baka Bor Radiation haki ni kitom bat kumjuru hakish nong kitao bo marjan kadang long hapo uput badang shingan. Kani ka komite jong kiStad ka NEHU hapo ka jialam jong Professor Bym Lap na ka Department of Chemistry kala her Nongbah Jynrin Southwest Khasi Hills haka shipau tarik unai wing arhajar arpo bantau ya ka Bor Radiation haki top bat kitliuk sam uranium badon haka ni ka jala tikdu. Kani ka komite jong kiStad ka NEHU hapo ka jialam jong Professor Bym Lap na ka Department of Chemistry kala her Nongbah Jynrin Southwest Khasi Hills haka shipau tarik unai wing arhajar arpo bantau ya ka Bor Radiation haki top bat kitliuk sam uranium badon haka ni ka jaka bat kani ka komite kala IT ya ka kaipot jing tokit syaka Sorkar jala haka khat nyaw tarik unopra arhajar arpo. Ka Sorkar jala kala penlong ya ka jialang haka arpo tarik ukala lengkon banyak tai sani ya ka ni ka kaipon bat shem ba kiStad wat banyak jong ka NEHU kila shem ba ka Bor Radiation haki ni kitom bat kitliuk sam uranium bat kishnong ba marjan kadang long hapo uput badang shingang kat kum ki jing thau Nongbah Radiation survey meter. Hendrai ka kaipot kala pentepan basis pa put na kini kitop syakawa put sengkai la syam baka Bor Radiation ka kamhe banya ka balam na kitop. Halor kani ke Sorkar kala rai ban penlong biang ya ke jingwat banyak bakarpang hakani kawa kenang ban Pynthikna ya kidau bakumno ka radiation ka klan banya ka bami na kitop bat kitliuk sam uranium.
As well as the villages and habitations nearby. Okay. They are all well within the safety levels as per the International Atomic Energy Agency standards. Okay. But there was another interesting finding in the NEHU committee report that there is a rivulet about 100 feet away from these tanks. Okay, it's known as Pynthikna. There the radiation levels are relatively higher than even the source. So the committee recommended that this needs to be examined further. So the state government has decided that the rocks and sediments from this rivulet, particularly at the point where the radiation level is slightly high, those will be sent to a laboratory for analysis to know the exact reason why the radiation level in that particular rivulet at a certain location is relatively high. So that study we will conduct. But so far as the tanks, the pits, the villages, habitations are concerned, the NEHU study has clearly established that the radiation levels are well within the safety levels. The prima facie understanding is that this particular area in general is known for uranium deposits. Okay. There is a possibility that under the rivulet, close to the surface, not very deep, maybe uranium is there. It's just a possibility. But till we have the study done by a laboratory and analyzed by professionals, we cannot say conclusively anything about it, and then we need the professionals' recommendation, and if they say that yes, there is some problem with this rivulet, we will advise the community accordingly. Since the NEHU committee came across this finding, we will take it to its logical conclusion. But we don't want to jump into conclusions. You know, we want to arrive at a professional opinion on this point. And since the NEHU committee itself has recommended and has found radiation in a rivulet and has recommended that this needs to be studied further, so we are proceeding, we will study it further. Okay.
Kumban chupen kan mau na kaliang ko Committee on Environment jong ka yung dorbar thawan ka jala hakas nam baladam kala ajing mut ya ka Sorkar jala ban pha aka kan hun toket ka balai lot ban nei thau ya ka radiation nikal erbi ka bami bat ya ka jingdon u uranium haki ki wa ki badon hapo ka Southwest Khasi Hills District. Lapan pauru baka jingdon jong ka radiation ka jurba ha ka jaka ka badon hajan ka wa jimiri bat ka ne ka wa ka de ka telong bam di jong ki snong ki thau ki badon marjan bat ka domya set bat ka long ka badon kam ban phak mi benya man la ka por. Ka komite kala ajing mutru ban pha jurep ha ka tnat ka kwat ka khya ya ka jinglong jingman jong ki pat ba ki ba shong basa ha ka than bat ban IT ya ka kai phon ha ka yeng dorbar thawan.